Car doors and cardboard boxes, TV sets and table frames, plywood chairs and parcel post, utility meters and steering wheels. Whatever it is, if it has to be moved by conveyor, it's moved most efficiently by Bridgeveyor. The unique Bridgeveyor Overhead conveyor system. Today you'll find Bridgeveyor systems at work in hundreds of installations in Canada, across the United States, in Great Britain, in Europe, and in Asia. And the list of Bridgeveyor customers reads like a who's who of industry. Ford, Volvo, Sangamo, Northern Telecom, Canadian General Electric, Seagram's, Rolls-Royce, Chrysler, Sklar, Canadian International Paper, Black & Decker, Electrolux. The list goes on and on. The success of the Bridgeveyor system, the reason why it has been accepted by so many major companies on an international scale, begins with two basic facts. First is the concept itself. The concept of an overhead conveyor system as compared to any other method of moving materials and products from one point to another. This overhead concept saves you valuable floor space. It can be applied to virtually any industry, from the biggest manufacturer to the smallest plant. And it handles all types of materials, through all kinds of processes, so efficiently, in fact, that most systems pay for themselves in the first year. The second advantage of the Bridgeveyor system is its unique design. It's a modular system, so simple to install that a customer's own personnel can readily set it up and get it running. It features a unique enclosed track. Chain and bearing surfaces are protected from contamination, dirt, paint, chemicals. This means less maintenance and longer life, and a better return on investment. The enclosed track also eliminates the need for idler wheels and sprockets on corners. Again, lower costs and less maintenance. And thanks to this enclosed design with no corner sprockets, the risk of injury to plant workers is eliminated. Flexibility is important too. Horizontal curves can have standard radius from 36 inches all the way down to 9 inches, so processing tanks, ovens, or freezers can be reduced in size. Special curve sizes are available to order, and many combinations of turns, horizontal and vertical, can be built into your system to make it practical in even the tightest space. Now, how about load capacity? The Bridgeveyor system comfortably handles up to 50 pounds to each pendant. You can double each load to as much as 100 pounds by coupling 2 pendants, or take 200-pound loads by using 4 pendants. So the system's able to handle just about any job you ask of it, right up to a total of 30,000 pounds on a 600-foot system with just one drive. Now look closely at the carriers themselves. They're designed to suit each and every application. Indexing carriers for painting, for example. S-hooks. Rotating carriers. Automatic drop-off units. Custom designs to suit your needs. Whatever the material, Bridgeveyor can handle it. Power for the Bridgeveyor system comes from this dependable straight-line Caterpillar D400 drive unit with a chain speed range of up to 80 feet per minute. The drive can be positioned on any straight section of track, wherever most convenient for service and maintenance, as long as it's at the highest possible point. When track length exceeds the capacity of one drive unit, multiple drives can readily be installed, equally spaced through the system. Forward. Reverse. Variable speed. Even automatic programming by computer. All these control options can be built into the Bridgeveyor system. Again, flexibility is the objective. And now still another outstanding feature of the Bridgeveyor Overhead conveyor, the take-up assembly. Positioned following the drive unit, the take-up maintains a uniform chain tension throughout the system, even where the chain is exposed to the heat of ovens or the cold of freezers. The results, a smooth, free chain flow and minimal operating headaches down the road. So this is the Bridgeveyor conveyor system. Economical, flexible, dependable, and proven for efficiency in literally hundreds of applications. So, only one key question remains. Can Bridgeveyor work for you? The answer's yes. Whether you're looking for process handling, mobile storage, finishing systems, materials transportation, or interdepartmental delivery. It all starts with a Bridgeveyor expert analyzing your operation and your needs. Volume, speed, type of materials, length of system, clearances, environment, plant configuration. Every detail, right down to chain pull factors, is studied, assessed, then taken into account in the design recommendation. Once the costs have been approved, working drawings are produced and agreed on. The prefabrication of the system components is carried out using our unique bolt-together construction to save you time and money at the site. Finally comes the installation itself, by Bridgeveyor technicians or by your own plant personnel. Whichever method you decide on, you're protected by a full 1-year warranty on every component in the system. So, whatever your industry, whatever your need, look to Bridgeveyor to move your materials better. Bridgeveyor, Canada's #1 overhead conveyor system. For proof, let's look at a variety of actual Bridgeveyor installations.